Oh, I think ratchet straps are just about my favoriteest tool ever. I should have done this the first way. I get this arm down, which is just about impossible to do. Hook into the frame and then tie on here, and that gives you lots of room for your compressors. Plenty of room. My own band body is recovering today because I spent 7 hours and just about a busted nut trying to do this the hard way. But tomorrow I should be able to hit this with compressors and slot them bad boy in. I think this is going to be much easier. Lots more space.